So we're going to replace the hazard light switch. We start off by removing this little piece for the fan control. To do that, either get a screwdriver or like a trim tool. The trim tool is usually better, so that way you don't leave a mark. Just put it behind there and just slowly start to pry out, and you can remove that. Now we've got this Phillips screw. Get a Phillips screwdriver and just remove this bolt. That's the only bolt holding the rest of the unit in. Now there's just 4 clips, one here, here, here and here. So we're just going to put it away from it, like towards us. Use a trim tool again or a screwdriver and just fit it in the gap here. That's it. Just to help you get some space. And then that's it, you've got the unit out now. So you've got 4 little tabs, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that's what we're going to have to press in on the old one to release it. We've also got the connector at the back to release as well, which is this one. So to get it out, press in and then just give it a bit of a tug. That's all it is. Just here you have to push this in and then it will come out. Now we've just got to do these 4 little tabs to press these in, and then we'll slide it out. So press these tabs in and then push out towards the outside of the unit, so because it's going to slide through. And then that's it, and then you can pull it out through the other end. And then that's that. So this is the old one. They literally just slotted in through there, and then obviously it would clip in through these little clips. So let's get the new one, which is here, and we're just going to put it in here, slide it in, and then just wait for it to click, and that's in. Now we've just got to get this connector, put it in, and you should hear it click. That's it in place. And then now to just get it back in, now we're just going to line it up. You've got 4 clips that you need to get in, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So once you've got it all lined up, just start to push these in and they'll clip in. And at the bottom, see, and that's in. Then get that screw which holds the unit in, start to do it up, get a screwdriver, and that's in. And then get your little heater control thing and then just put that in. Obviously put it in the same position that it was in before, and that's it. And then the hazard light works.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.